Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a plain cake. For this here I have taken 125 ml of oil, a few drops of vanilla essence, 1 cup of castor sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup plus 1/4 cup flour and 3 eggs. Now first of all I will sift the flour and baking powder together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sift them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I will beat the sugar and oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim till they are creamy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now after beating oil and sugar together, now I have added egg, and one by one I will add the egg and then I will beat after each addition. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now first egg is beaten and now I am adding second egg. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Beat them again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this is the third egg. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add in vanilla. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now after beating vanilla, now I am adding this flour mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will beat this again till it is incorporated with the mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Batter is ready and I have poured the batter in a greased rectangle pan. And now I will bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes or till it is done. My oven is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. For 45 minutes I have taken out the cake from the oven and then I have left the cake to cool completely, and it is cooled, and I have cut the cake into slices. Now this is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.